Yo. Today is Wednesday, November 1st. Officially November. 2 months away from the end of the year. So I'm looking at Tesla. Had this nice way up. Kind of touchless. Support right here, but broke below again. Curious to see what it'll do with yesterday's highs and overnight highs, I guess, technically, in this little section. So yeah, just watching also AMD had 6 million volume on this push up. Pretty strong push up, as you can see. Kind of crazy here. Kind of a crazy move, so not too sure what to expect, but might finally have an uptrend here. Also in the Discord they sent out QQQ and Amazon rejection zone on the 20-day 1 hour. Looks like this. Very true. This is right at this level right here. Bless you. So that's a kind of interesting place to be right now. I'm looking for a nice rejection here. This exact level. But if we break above, obviously, then that would be interesting. Okay, I like that Tesla rejected the 9. Might take some lighter calls. 195 calls. Volume didn't fall off too much here. I think I might take 1 contract. Stop losses right above this price target overnight low. Could be wrong here. About to exit for a small loss. We can move up again. Quick stop loss here. Don't want to risk too much. We got FOMC today, so could move pretty intensely, pretty quickly. Looking good though. Okay, yep. Out. That was like $8 loss. Fine with that. Tiny L. I'm liking AMD though. Cruising right now. Let's look at the contracts. Not too expensive. Might take 1. Okay. So AMD stop loss would be about here. Break above this, we got room. I'm liking it though. So after this, we got up here. Just draw that real quick. Boom. Boom. Okay, up about 12% on this contract. Seeing if we can get above here, the second price target. Okay, up about 15% here. Might look for here. Something like that. but this is already very extended. I do want to keep that in mind, watching volume. Qs are rocketing. SPY's up. Tesla's up. Okay. Volume's coming in here. But I might just take him at price target simply because it could just be rejection volume. Kind of watching it here though. Tesla, if we get break over this overnight high. At or above this level. Okay. Just waiting here. Okay, up about 18%. 19. Okay, yeah. Looks like we might reject this level here. Don't want to get too greedy here. I mean, don't want to get greedy at all. Qs are soaring though. So, I mean, kind of a crazy place to be on AMD though. I wonder what freak it got right up in there. Well, volume holding it up about 20% again, 18. Okay, might sell. Okay, selling here. Okay, 212. Made 26 bucks. Not bad. I'm gonna look at Amazon again though. Okay, Amazon broke above, apparently. This could be a good play. Increase in volume. Okay, Tesla's rejecting pretty intensely. I like Amazon though. It's a good place to be. If you look at Amazon calls, not bad. 120 call. 120 for the 136 calls. 135. Oh, there it is. Freak. Kind of a crazy move here. Freak. I was about to load him up too. Volume is increasing here. Yeah, this thing's about to move, but I'm watching Tesla. I'm gonna like this if we get some volume. Gonna take some calls here. I'm gonna see if we can get back to this level. Might buy here. In the meantime, pull up our typical winner here. Just pull something else up. Apple, Google, Nvidia. Kind of nice here. Actually, for Nvidia. waiting for the market's big direction here. AMD continues its move up. It's just moving. Okay. Like an Nvidia here. Contracts are so freaking pricey. So never mind. Never mind. Crazy. Volume increasing on Tesla here. Nasty rejection.
Los Andy, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Oye, duraste más hoy, ¿no?
I was at the gym.
Oh, por eso.
Okay, so I took Tesla. Stop loss above the 9 because the increase in volume on the rejection of this area, plus it tends to do the opposite of whatever everything else is doing for some reason. So like Qs were going up, but it almost always like just likes to be rebellious. So yeah, but we might be wrong here, which I'm totally cool with. Price target again, low of day, or overnight low, I guess, technically, and then yesterday, this price target, price level. If we ever get there, which I don't think we will, to be honest. Based on the strength of the market, we got FOMC today, so I'm not trying to be too risky with anything at all. Looks like we're gonna get a little move here. Very nice. Up about 7% here on this trade. 9. I like the increase in volume on the rejection, then close below the 9. So I'll kind of draw this out. Oops. Freak. It's basically my risk here. Oh. I can stop down here. Yeah, I'm selling.
You already got coffee?
No.
Okay.
Cool, thanks. Okay. Well, this was going to be my trade. Oh, still technically can be. Just going to hold this, actually. See if we can get this move. Even though everything else is pumping. Could have held AMD. Okay. So I like the decreasing volume on AMD as well for a potential put setup. Trading kind of sloppy this morning though. Too many trades, so I might take one more trade. AMD puts is kind of what I'm looking for here. I mean, it's already climbed so much. on decreasing volume. These last 3 candles. That is ideal. We got about a minute and a half left on this candle. Back up about 5%. It's Tesla. It's kind of a weird trade, but I'm liking it so far. I do think we can get this move if we get some nice volume here. But I don't like that volume decrease from this candle to this candle, and we have about 45 seconds left. I think that might be the... Okay. I don't think I'm liking this very much anymore. Still up on the day from the AMD trade, but I don't want to lose those profits on Tesla. This is my official stop right here. If it doesn't go above this, I'm not selling. This could be the rejection right here. Could also just keep going up. So my AMD 102 calls it 212. It's at 260 right now. Kind of an interesting thing. Okay, if it works out, great. If it doesn't work out, great. Just being patient. I think I'm a little flustered from going to the gym. Blood's pumping. But I do need to chill. It appears that I was right. Dang, I just missed my entry on AMD. I was literally about to click too. Technically there's room all the way to the 9, but I would love to see some more volume. Tesla though, flying down, looking at 20%. Holy moly, 20%. Okay, 20% on this move. I think we can get to low. La-di-da. AMD has said some hurtful things today. This is like a perfect rejection setup, right? Okay, back down to like 15, 11, 10. Wow, okay. Here's an interesting thing. Two minutes left on this candle. Oh my gosh, I'd be up handsomely on AMD right now. Okay, well, that's interesting as heck. What the heck, Tesla? Okay, I have about 6% on Tesla now. About 45 seconds left on this candle. Tesla got bought back up. Still not a bad trade. Still don't want to turn it into a losing trade, but I was right on AMD. Crazy wick on Tesla. Definitely could have sold. It's a nice trade. Kind of broke my rule there. I typically like to sell at 15%. Okay, and this is why I sell. The heck did I miss? Okay. I think I'm gonna have to cut Tesla. Jesus. Look at this price action. What in the world is going on? What? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna be very cautious with Tesla. That thing moving sporadically. AMD is going. Holding. Just watching it here. Okay, I think I'm gonna sell. Just because of volatility, I don't want to get caught. Again, this is my stop loss, the top of this wick right here. If I lose, I lose. Huge volume with SPY right now. Look above overnight low. What you trying to do? Might buy another contract on Tesla. Oh. Well, I'm gonna take a put on SPY or on AMD. Actually, maybe that wasn't a good idea because there's nothing here to tell me that. I don't know why I took that trade. Oh, what the heck? Okay. That was a terrible trade. Dang, I was about to sell break even again, but it just kept going without me. Okay, Tesla's still acting like my crazy ex, but it's going down. Okay, we're getting some volume here on Tesla. Looks like sellers. Yeah. Here we go. Interesting turn of events here. Kind of some crackhead vibes. Not gonna lie. Increasing volume here. Crazy rejection. AMD hoping that we get the same follow through, but I don't know if it's going to. Again, just because of overall market strength. Yeah, look at that crap. Sold at a loss. Pretty heavy loss there. Good thing I sold there. Thankfully still up on the day. I was about to take another put. Okay, here we go. Messed up trading AMD. Just gonna trade Tesla. I'm liking this move here. Okay, holding this till my dreams come true. Kind of crazy here. There's overnight low right here. Oh God, I feel like so out of it today. But I do think I'm gonna hold Tesla. Okay. Up about 30%. Holy moly. When did this happen? Okay. Not looking too bad. Up again about 27, 28%. I'm liking this move. Up 32%. Would love to see it tag this level. Because that's where things start to get fun. Again, 195 calls. But would love to get another one. Okay. Don't want to get greedy. We got about a minute left. I mean, it was definitely a nice trade here. SPY's getting bought back up. AMD also. Just looking weakling though. Okay. Just about there at 32%. Come on, man. Okay. Here we go. So now we see how it interacts here. I'm up about 36%. Looks like it's gonna want to bounce. So if we get one more push down, gonna lock in at about 36%. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna sell here. Okay, boom, got a little more of that move. Sold at 179. Solid trade. I think that was about like 38, 37%. Oh, great. So entry was kind of sloppy because I got out. Because I got above the 9. I should have held. Because this is my actual stop. So my entry was more like here probably. Risking a little more, but nonetheless. So good ratio here. 1 to like 3.5, maybe 4. Now it's gone. Great sustained volume here. Might take like a cheaper contract just for the fun of it. Just gonna take this little contract. See if we get a move. If we don't, cool. I did like how the volume increased here on this rejection. I like how we continue to move down here. We may bounce here, so I'm not risking too much. Okay, yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a little bounce. Potentially. AMD is just flat liney right now. Okay, yeah. Selling that. Oh man, I actually lost quite a bit there. It was like 10 bucks. Oh no, it was like 7. More than I would have wanted, but I'm definitely done for the day because I'm kind of trading sporadically. 2.36%. I was at about 2.7 before this last trade. Okay, that was sloppy. I don't really know what happened. But happy with that, keeping some in the account because we got FOMC later. So just gonna be waiting and watching for that. But I will be back, so peace out, y'all.